Today I have with me a butterfly smart glass 3 burner gas stove. Um, this is black in color and this is how the box looks. It comes with 1 year warranty and this is how I got the box. I bought it from Flipkart. The total weight of the product is around 5 kg and these are some of the features. Now let's just get to the unboxing of this 3 burner gas stove. While I was unboxing it is upside down and it's as you can see it's covered in plastic and there are the protection provided for each of the burner. Thermocol is also used to actually keep this gas stove intact when it's in transit. Now let's just take the gas stove and see how the top of uh, the panel how it looks like, and this is how it is. We'll just take out the plastic cover and see um, how the actual product is. As you can see, there is not much accessories with it. Only the uh, warranty card is present in the box, and it's in order to keep all the burner intact, it's tied with the ribbon to keep the burner in place. And this is the 1 year warranty card for this butterfly product. I decided to go with butterfly mainly because it's the spare parts are all readily available in the market, unlike many other brands. um, if we have any problem even after 2 or 3 years, we can easily get the replacement part with the butterfly. So this is how it looks. 3 burners, that is the smallest one, and this is a medium, and we have a 360-degree rotating nozzle for the gas inlet, and that's the inlet nozzle. It can be rotated into your desired position, so that's really handy. Some model come with fixed type nozzle, so in the back also you can see some documentations there, and some caution is also mentioned. Please read through that. And the knob, this is how the knob looks like. It's the knob is just made of plastic, nothing fancy about the knob. It's just normal plastic knob. That's the only thing that is not premium with this gas stove. The knob is really can get damaged really easily if no, not used with caution. So this is the how the uh, underneath of this gas stove looks like. You have a jet marking and butterfly your code, and this is how there are also 4 rubber bushes to keep the gas stove in place. This is how the underneath of the burner tube looks like, just to show you the how the burner is connected and all the things like that. I had to buy this LPG hose extra. It's not coming with the gas stove. It's not free, you have to actually pay for it, and so just bought it, and this is how it looks. It is also from the same brand, the butterfly brand. I'll show you how it's actually fixed to a gas cylinder, and we'll see how it's operated, and I'll show you the flame and everything like that. And now we are going to just actually insert this tube into the inlet of the gas stove that we saw earlier. So we need to apply some really good pressure to actually get this into that nozzle. Please take that out, and let's just connect the one end of the tube to the inlet of the gas stove. You need to apply some pressure, so hold that, otherwise it will move the nozzle since it's a rotatable nozzle. So keep that steady and apply some good pressure and insert fully into the nozzle so that there is no leakage or anything like that. Okay, now that's done. We have to connect the other end to the gas cylinder. Before that, we'll have to actually take off this ribbon. We'll just do that and get started with connecting it to the cylinder. Now I have the regulator with me, and I took it and I am just inserting this tube, the other end of the tube, to the regulator head. And now we'll have to insert this regulator by pushing that and inserting firmly into the cylinder, and just turn on the regulator for gas. At first it will take some time for the gas to actually reach the brass head. As you can see, after 2 or 3 tries we were able to actually get it lit, and this is how it's switched on. You have, that's the full flame of all the brass heads, and this is how you reduce the flame by rotating it in the counterclockwise direction. And to switch on, just press it and turn it to the counterclockwise direction. As a safety mechanism, in order to turn the knob, you will have to actually push and turn, so please don't forget it. You always have to push to actually turn on the burners. And the main reason why I moved to the Butterfly brand is because before I used this brand gas stove, which is from a brand called Lifelong. It only lasted like just 1 year, and everything started corroding, and when I asked for replacement, the spare parts are not available. So that's the story there. So this is how it's just paper, it's not painted or anything like that, it's just paper, so it will come off easily after some time. So these the knob and this paper like marking is a bit of letdown for me for this gas stove. It is a good burner, mainly because it's priced under 3000 rupees, so the quality is really good, and for a 3-burner gas stove it's a really good price. And the other main problem when you actually order it online is because you may not get it fully intact. First time it was delivered, it was all broken, so that's the only problem there. If you like the product, you can buy the product from the link in the description below. Hope you like the video. If you liked it, please subscribe, share and like for more future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.